It's the 6th annual Rock the Dock in Water Boat Show.
Chris Hoover here, and it's time again for Rock the Dock. In a Ron Hoover RV and Marine, we make it easy to find the boat of your dreams. Find the boat you like, and we'll take you out on the water for a demo so you can make sure it's the right boat for you and your family. Come join in the fun at Ron Hoover RV and Marine, and we're gonna
rock the dock. Free parking, free admission, and door prizes. Pleasure boats, offshore boats, 13 dealers, 50 models, and over 100 boats in and out of the water. The 6th annual Rock the Dock in Water Boat Show.